Wait, don't skip. Don't go anywhere. Because what I'm about to tell you is a story about Bluey. And it's one of the most exciting adventures ever. You really don't want to miss this. Not even 1 second. So stay right here. Listen closely. And follow until the very end. Ready? Let's go. One sunny day, Bluey and Bingo were exploring the forest. Do you imagine the sound of their little paws? Crunch, crunch, crunch. On the leaves. Suddenly, Bluey stopped. Wait, Bingo. Did you hear that? Bingo tilted her head. What is it, Bluey? And you? Yes, you. What do you think it was? The bushes rustled. Whoosh. And right in front of them, a secret entrance appeared. A hidden cave. Bluey gasped. No way. A cave. We have to go inside. Bingo jumped with excitement. Let's go, Bluey. Hurry. And you. Would you go in? Or would you be too scared? Step by step, they walked inside. It was dark. It was cold. Drip. Drip. Water fell from the ceiling. Can you hear it? Can you feel it? Bluey whispered. Stay close, Bingo. This place feels magical. Suddenly, the walls began to glow, colors swirling everywhere. Red, blue, green. Bingo shouted, It's beautiful. Look, Bluey. Look, everyone. The cave was alive. The stones sparkled like stars. And then, right in the middle, stood a glowing crystal. Bluey reached out slowly. What is this? It feels so warm. Bingo's eyes sparkled. Maybe it's magic. Maybe it has a secret. And you? What do you think it could be? A treasure? A portal? Or something even more amazing? The crystal hummed softly. Thank you for finding me, Bluey, Bingo, and you too, little listener. Bluey gasped. It spoke. It really spoke. Bingo jumped up and down. This is the best adventure ever. But slowly, the glow began to fade. The cave whispered softly, It's time to go. But remember, the magic will always be with you. Bluey smiled. We'll never forget. Thank you. Bingo hugged her sister. Good night, Bluey. Good night, everyone listening. And now, it's your turn. Don't leave yet. Don't skip now. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And imagine the glowing cave. Imagine the crystal watching over your dreams tonight. And slowly, drift away into the softest, sweetest, happiest dreams ever.